All right, greetings. Welcome to Eureka Squared, grade 6, module 1, lesson 21, solving multi-step ratio problems. These buggers get hard, but if you make a chart or a double number line, at least it lays it out for you. You'll probably need a calculator at some point for some of these, but again, as long as you get the setup right, getting the values, I suppose, is the next biggest challenge. But let's see what's up. We're on page 291, and a horse, of course. We're only going to solve one problem, which really means we're solving four, because these are multi-step problems. Okay, so we have a horse that runs at 7,920 feet in 150 seconds. And they want to know, hey, how many feet is that per second? All right, well, if they're giving us a rate of 150 seconds, that's not so bad, because then, let me zoom in here a little bit. Right, gives a little more space. Watch what happens here. I'm going ratio chart land. Why not? Get my 2 units in there, feet and seconds. And let's start with what they give us, right? That little given ratio here. So 7,920 feet, 150 seconds. Now, typically how this works is if you can build it, the answer will come. Per. That per means 1, right? So per second. There's my second. I'm going to put that 1 right in there. Why is that important? Well, the chart tells me exactly what to do. What do I do from 150 to get 1? I'm going to divide by 150, right? Anytime you divide by the same number, you always get 1. So if I do that to the right side, I'm going to have to do that to the left side, right? So divide by 150. So there's my setup. And what do I wind up with is a math problem that says 7,920 divided by 150. Now right away I can divide each of these guys by 10. And I have another problem. It's getting a little bit smaller, which is nice. Divide by 15. Okay, so that's a little bit better. So that's the one I'm going to set up right over here. 15 into 792. Okay, well that goes 0 times. How many times does 15 go into? 79. Well, let's see. 60, 75. What is that? 5 times? Let's see. A little 5 there, a little 25, a little 6, 7. Okay, 5 times. So 75. All right, so I'm trying to get a 4, bring down this guy. Okay, so that's going to go, what, 15, 30, 45. So it's going to go twice, right, for 30. A 1, a 2. Well, I guess we should go into decimal land, or do we stay into fraction land? I'm not sure. Let's see. Let's just stay in. Let's go to decimal land. Why not? A little decimal. There you go. 120. 15 into 120. That's interesting. Let's see. So 75. Let's see. 5. Let's go right after 9. Let's see where that takes us. 45. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, we're close. So 15 times 8. Let's see. That's a 40. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There it is. 8 times. Aha. Oh, we're looking good. So 52.8. There it is. All right. Chart always helps. So we're looking at 52.8 feet per second. There's that rate. There it is. Put a little circle around that guy. Make them stand out. Okay, so that's a good number. Now I want feet per minute. Well, I have feet per second. I want feet per minute. So whenever I'm doing time, not whenever, but if I'm converting time, double number line. Why not? 0, 0, feet per second, right? So I have that feet per second. There it is. So feet per second. Put that in there. Now, if I want a minute, right, that means I want 60 seconds. Now watch what happens here. So here we go. I'll put this all the way down here. So if it's 52.8 in 1 second, and I need to convert to minutes. Now I know that there's 60 seconds in a minute. Watch what happens. So I'm going to cruise on over here. I'm going to put that 60 right there. So that's 60 seconds in a parenthesis. I'm going to add that is 1 minute. There it is, because that's what I'm looking for, 1 minute. Now what's great about this is, well, it tells me what to do. There you go. So what do you do to 1 to get a 60? Well, you get a times 60 or multiply by 60. Well, if I do that to the bottom, all right, everything needs to stay equivalent. I'm going to do the same thing to the top. So all I do is just right? Take care of what it tells me. Take 52.8, multiply by 60. There we go. I can drop down that 0. I need a 6 times 8 is 48. I need a 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right, and there's a 30 plus 1, 31. My decimal's there, so my decimal's there, right? So 1 digit after the decimal, 1 digit after the decimal. There it is. So 3,168 feet per minute. There it is. So 3,168 feet per minute. There you go. All right. Now, okay, 2 more of these things. Oh, now they want per hour. How? Oh my gosh. If this guy's cruising for an hour, well, watch what happens. Same type of thing. Boom. Set this up. Get my double zeros in, right? And start with my given, right? So I have 3,168 feet per minute. So feet per minute now, right? I was seconds, now I'm minutes. So I'm going to put that in there. 3,168, 3,168, 1 minute. Now I need an hour. Well, I know 60 minutes gives me an hour. So over here, there's that 60, right? In parentheses, doesn't that equal 1 hour? There it is. So guess what? Times 60. There it is. Boom. Times 60. See? Chart tells me what to do. So now I need 3,168. Let me just confirm that number. There it is. Times 60. Boy, lots of multiplication. That's a 0. That's a 48. Right? 48. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. There you go. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ta-da. Right? 18, 19. There you go. No decimal, so boom. Oh boy. 190,000. 80. That horse just keeps on running. All right, so for a whole hour, 190,080 feet in 1 hour. Ah, gosh. Let's see. Now, let's see. In miles per hour. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? So that's a lot of feet. All right, so let's see. This is feet in one, or you know what? Let me use the per word. Feet per hour. Okay, so there it is. Okay, now I need to convert to miles. Oh my goodness. All right. Meh, why not? Let's continue with the old double number line. I'm having a little bit of fun with this. There's feet per hour, right? And I have, oh boy, let's see, feet per hour. So I have all these feet and I need to convert. What's my magic number here? Well, my conversion number is 5,280 feet per mile, right? So 5,280 feet per mile. And let's see, if I need to convert that, I have all these feet here per hour. You know what? I'm not going to do a double number line. I'm going to do a ratio chart. This seems to be working out better. Watch this. Okay, so ratio chart, straight conversion, right? So I need to go from feet to mile, feet to mile, right? So my conversion is 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Okay, well, if I have all these feet, there they are. So 1,900, 190,083. There it is. Okay, so I'm looking for this guy. So my ratio chart's going to tell me what to do. Aha. Let's go across. What do you do to 5,280? To get 1, I'm going to divide it by 5,280. Well, if I do that to the bottom, I'm going to have to do that to the top. 5,280. Oops, 80. There it is. Oh my gosh, that is such a big division problem. So it's going to be 190,080 divided by 5,280. Well, these zeros I can get rid of, which is nice. So I'll divide them both by 10. Right, I have a brand new problem. 19008. So that just turned into 19,008, right? Divided by 528. Whew. Let me make some space. Oh, good. I have space. Let's do this. 528, 19008. Now, sometimes, get into a little calculator land here, folks. I mean, really. Good grief. All right, so that goes 0, that goes 0, that goes 0. So it looks like 3 times. Let's see. 528 times 3. Let's see. That's a 24, 6, 7, 8, and a 15. Yep, that's going to work. Okay, so 3 times 1, 5, 8, 4. So that becomes 8, a little borrowing action, right? So there's a 6, there's a 1, there's a 3. Bring that guy. Okay, let's see. If I double that, ooh, that looks like a 6 now. If I double that, that looks like that could get close. Let's see. 528 times 6. Let's see. 48, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, there we go. 30, 31. Oh, good grief. That's beautiful. Look at that. 6 times. 3, 1, 6, 8. Bam! 36. There's my missing number. There it is. So 36 miles. Okay, so 36 miles. Oops, S per hour for that horse. Goodness gracious. Okay, so folks, lots of work. Use a ratio chart if you're doing a straight conversion. If you're doing sort of a double conversion, I guess, per minute and it's over time, maybe a double number line. But your choice. But a lot of arithmetic. Wow. Okay, so that horse goes pretty fast. It goes a lot faster than I go. Anyway, hope you had a good time with that. Take your time, organize your world, and yeah, be careful. Have fun. Take care. Bye bye.